You guys, this is the AquaSafe from Tetra, and this basically makes tap water safe, and it does that by taking the chlorine out of the water, so it makes your fish stay alive. A lot of people just put tap water and then they see their fish die, and this is the main reason, because they're not putting any of this. Okay, so this does treat 250 gallons. That's a lot. This one is 8.45 fluoride ounces, so this treats a bunch right here, you guys, but there are different sizes, so look out for that. Okay, this is the backside right here. Basically has the directions. So for every 5 gallons, we're gonna use 5 milliliters, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like in a second. And then if you have 10 gallons, you're gonna use the 10 milliliter, and that's the cap right here, okay? This is a 5 gallon bucket that I have right here. So I'm gonna be using that to put in my fish tank. So now I can show you guys what that looks like. So the 10 milliliters, you can see right there, that means we're gonna fill this cap all the way up. And if we're doing the 5 milliliters for 5 gallons, which I'm doing right here, we're gonna fill it halfway. And you guys could see that there is a line halfway right there. So let's go ahead and fill that up. All right, you guys, just like that, that is half of the cap. And all we have to do is put it in just like that. I usually like giving a little shake and bake like so, and it works instantaneously. So we could actually go ahead and put this in our water. And just like that, you guys, we went ahead and filled up all their water. So now the fish are nice and happy. So definitely recommend picking up some AquaSafe.